Alright, so just a little bit of heat on my castle nut, and I still didn't have a wrench, but I put a pair of arc joint pliers on it and turned, and it came loose. My outer, I'm not sure what you would call this. I guess it's how you tie the bushing. I don't know. I don't know what you would call that. It is it came off. I got the grease zerk out of the inner one. It's still, you can see the IH stamp in it. The axle, obviously I've not measured or anything, but I don't see any real obvious wear on it. It was slightly loose. There's not a drop of grease in any of these, I guess maybe packing cups or something. I don't know what you call them. But if it's been run dry, it wasn't run that way very long, so I'm happy with that. I've got a little bit more off. I'm down now into these nuts that had set pretty close to the dirt. I believe I'm going to have to break those bolts, plow bolts, to get them out. But really, we'll wrap this up. Farmall 51, who I talked to about the about this plow before I started on it, and he answered it with a video. I'm going to link it. I'm assuming that that's all right with him. About his, he's got a lot of really neat stuff over there. I'm sure if you found me, you found him way before that. But if you hadn't, check him out. A lot of IH stuff, antique Farmall stuff. He's got some 140s and hub and some stuff like that. It's a really pretty neat channel. Go check him out, and I'm gonna close this video out. I do one thing that's been really cool so far. Every single one of these pieces I've pulled off of the right side, at least, has an IH number in it. I've got them over here, but they all have IH numbers, and all the bolts, the plow bolts, have had square nuts on them. But when I look over here on this side, left side, all bolts on the plow bolts I've seen so far have hex nuts on them. So I don't know, stuff's been replaced. I don't know which was most recently, but anyway, thanks YouTube for stopping in and checking out my progress. Hear from you. Talk to you later.